On this part here, I will go through you onto the basic movement again, onto the breathing, Qigong breathing exercise. When you get into this bit here, this fit on the whole stand and practice basic punch out like this. Out like that. Don't crunch in your face, just relax the hand and then just like that. 1, 2, breathe in and then out. In and then out. In and then out. Like this, basic exercise like that. When you finish, hand out, bring the feet in and then back here. Breathe in and then out. In and then out. All this movement here is just helping you to practice basic structure of the body, in line posture well. And when you understand all this 6 bit, if you want to do individually or you want to full one, then just go to the full one and practice full one at many times on each one if you want. So you can able to understanding the full body workout onto the Qigong exercise. Spend some time to practice. I will see you on to next exercise.